Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomgquba, igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaXoxa into omntwana ingabi noboya ifuna abantwana ifuna abadala. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee. Guys, kufika umbhuti wase-Israel la all the way from eTsakani. Cabanga eTsakani kuphi uzufika eJoburg North. Yabona ukuthi the way ngispecial ngakhona bafethu umuntu ashiye zonke izinto zakhe for mina and travel that far. Namhlanje ke ngiphethe one of the content creators, guys. Before I say it, niyambona mos, niyamazi mos, uSihle wakwaNhlapho, uJovis, niyambona mos. All the way from Tsakani. I'm gonna give him an opportunity, guys, so that as I introduce uNomoya Phansi again, I just hope ukuthi nizomuzwa. Dali wami.
Yebo mama.
Alright.
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila, Sham, for sure ukhathele and thank you for this opportunity. I know ube wenza ezinye izinto but you chose to come through today for me. And welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee.
Ngiyabonga ngempela. Ngizizwa ngamngelekile.
So, ngicela uzithuthe onhlapho obani?
Onhlapho sikegede samathole salithatha sesele. Imadoda ayiqedwe zenkosi.
I like it. Uyabazi ke mabefuna ukudoja, guys, they will say such things. Izenkosi aziqedwa.
Ayiqedwe.
Sihle.
Yebo.
Udume ngoba nekasi.
Kasi bangibiza Tollgates, Jovis. Maningi nje lamagama ngithi mawumude vele everything. So yeah.
Okay, so abanye bakubiza nge-Tollgate. And how do you feel sitting nomuntu very short kanje?
Sengijwayele cause nontanga bami bafisha phezulu. Sengijwayele nje vele uthi konke la ngifika khona yimi ngedwa umuntu.
Ne. Yeah, and for sure abantu that's the first thing they notice. Kuthi umude because awubukeki ngathi umude kanje kuma platforms.
Nakhona into eyenze ukuthi ngicine ngenza ama videos we full video we full body ukuthi abantu bebethi bengibona mhlawumbe basihlangane emamoli they be like you are so tall bro, so manje ngenzela ukuthi bajwayele vele ukuthi noma bangibona babone ukuthi ngimude.
I like it. So now I want us to go back. Ngifuna ukukhumbuza ngaleza nkathi uxoxelwa umama nobaba ukuthi ukukhuleni kwakho ubunjani. Where were you born?
Ngazalelwa eLukhunjaneni eTsakani Pulisong, then ngahamba ngayohlala eKZN Ulundi. Ngikhulele khona vele ngaze ngapha mhlawumbe neminyaka u7.
Okay.
Ngakhulela ngamuvele Newcastle still eKZN.
Okay, Newcastle.
Ngafika I guess it was 2023 sengizokwenza ugrades. Sengizoqala high school ngayiqalela la eLukhunjaneni eTsakani vele.
Okay.
Kwaba kwaya.
So how was it like for you moving from one place to another? Sorry, how were you adapting from, because ukhumbula ukuthi indawo nendawo ne-style sakhona inempilo yakhona ine-lifestyle yonke into. How was it for you ukuthi adapt move from one place and then we had to adapt and all that?
Kwakunzinyana kona ukuthi ngilokhu njana ngi-relocate. Yeah, kwakunzima because impilo yasemakhaya nempilo la eGoli yafika qala kushintsha language.
Yes.
Indlela abantu abakhuluma ngayo i-different, so kwakumele ngijwayele vele ngagcina sengijwayele. But manje mangangibona ngeke kusho izikhulele emakhaya.
Exactly, that's what I was about to say ukuthi mina you don't strike me as someone okhulele emakhaya.
Ngikhule ngilusa.
How was it ukukhulele emakhaya?
Kuyafundisana many things. Ukufundisa ukuyimela, ukubhekana nezimo enzima, because uqala umncane you can go ehlathini umncane ukade umhlambo wenkomo we1, so
once be brave.
Ngifundisa ukuba brave, ukuyimela, ukumela iqiniso konke nje.
And then were you in situations where nawubuqhathaniswa nabanye abafana phela emakhaya ngazi ukuthi mawulusi uyaqhathaniswa nabanye abafana?
Emakhaya unoqhathaniswa nomuntu omdala futhi mina ngithi ngikhule ngimude, so bazongibekele bebengayikholwa iminyaka yami abantu abaningi. Bazokubekela umuntu omdala, umuntu yambona lo uzongikhahlela because kunento yokuthini kuvunywa ingoma nje esithubeni. Makuvunywa ingoma sekumele umuntu akhethe ongamsabi phela. Bavele ukhetha umunye bafithu ngimnyama ukuthi ukhetha umuntu omnyama. Yayibona ke manje sekumele ulwe nalowo muntu, like beyinzima nje impilo yasemakhaya inzima.
But do you regret somehow ukhulela khona or feel ukuthi it's something that you needed ukuthi uqale khona as a base?
Bengidinga nengane zami nginesifiso nje ukuthi sikhulele khona because bakufundisa inhlonipho konke nje kuningi ukufundayo emakhaya.
Namasiko ngiyakubona ufake ne-bracelet elidurayo.
Yeah, ithengisa isitolo le.
So and then it changed now coming to Joburg. Usuke emakhaya uqhathanisa uke lusinkomo ufika ngalani life fast.
La impilo iyashesha.
Life fast ifanele uadapt, ifanele impahla ube nazo ngapha sinama challenges wenyawo upe sinama challenges onke lezi zinto lezi. How was you getting into that and still finding yourself and be grounded?
Ukhulela emakhaya kwangenza ngayitshela ngaze ngazi ukuthi ngifunani, like ngiyazazi ngifunani, so angeke ngiyithole ngibhema, angeke ngithole ngenza into ezibhedayo vele. Yinto eyangifundisa, that's why I appreciate ukuthi ngakhulela emakhaya.
And then ukhuliswa ubani kulama dynamics akho ukumove from one place, so from Tsakani to Ulundi to Lundi Newcastle, umuva nobani kuleyo situation yonke?
Ngumuva ngaqala ngahlala nogogo emakhaya, bengihlala nogogo vele. Ugogo washona, ngayohlala no-auntie bashona nabo. Nje sengizofika sengizohlala
eNewcastle.
Cha, eNewcastle lebo auntie.
Oh, okay.
Then sengizofika sengizohlala la eGoli. Then it was last year June 30 June kwayima ngiluza uma ubekhula very serious because ngimbone mhlawumbe ugule boma 6 months. Then washona sengihlala nomamncane manje.
And how have you been taking the whole thing? Because mina ngiyakwazi unjani ukuluza abazali futhi both ke.
Ukuluza abazali kunzima, but into engingasho ukuthi ingichitha isikhathi i-social media angicabanga kakhulu mangibhizi because I have to reply kuma comments abantu nani, so angisitholi isikhathi sokuyicabanga yonke le nto. Okay,
so now ngifuna singene your previous content. Ngifuna singene previous content, but before sifike what inspired you to start ungene ku YouTube and ufeel ukuthi nawe you want to be part of the community?
Ilokhunjana bengithanda like ukuthi noma sekwenzeka ngikhothama ngishona kube khona into engiyishiya emhlabeni, ngilishiya igama lami ngilisebenzelile. So i-social media was the only thing ezokwenza ukuthi ngibonakale nami ukuthi ngumuntu.
But ubukeka njengomuntu oshayi. That's the thing. You in person and the person ku TikTok are two different people. Njengomuntu oshayi ubese screenini like uma uqala, because of I know you interact with people. Wasn't it hard?
Kunzima. Ku-right mangabe abantu sengibajwayele, mangingakabajwayeli kunzima futhi angifuni uqamba amanga. Because abantu banokukubona emamoli bakugijimele. Mangihamba ngedwa kuba nzima kakhulu, at least mangihamba nabangani bami. Abangani bami ngiyabatshela okay madoda niyasazi isimo sami ngicela sibaneke sonke. But nje amahloni ngiyaba nawo.
So now tell me, you started TikTok and then you were talking about, you were telling ama prison stories. Wathatha wena lama content then? Wathatha zonke le story?
I once watched Agenda Network.
Yes.
So Agenda Network bakhuluma ngezitori zasejele vele.
Yes.
So ngazithanda like bengibukela into eyenzeka laphana, basho baxoxa. Then kwaba khona ilanga eliwani ngihleli nje endlini. Bengihleli nosisi wami about 2 abazalwa umamncane bengitshela.
Yes.
So bengihleli nabo nganika lo mdalanyana, I guess she's 8 years old. Ngamnika i-camera, iphone, ngacela ngenza ivideo. Ngaqala ngaxoxa ngawo konke bengilokhu ngikuzwa lapha ngaxoxa. And ingonje what do you say, i-topic yakhona eleso story beku prison stories be like. Ngaxoxa ukuthi ejele kwenzakalani, but into ebengiyikhuluma lapha yazi nginamahloni. Nginamahloni ngazo
But why?
Bengenza ngathi ngiyarelate. Okay. Ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi it's true.
So wena ubukhuluma njengomuntu ngathi kuyaba sejele.
They believed me.
So most of people bakwazi ex-convict.
Cabanga nje ngilungile kangaka. So ngaqhubeka nayo i-content yasejele, ngaqhubeka nayo.
And then mohlangana kena nabantu phela abasuka ejele kena bihlangana nawe sebekhuluma inombolo, buwenza njani? Bengitshela
ukuthi angisabi umuntu, angibangenze lutho mina. because bengiloko ngitshelwa kuthiwa lento yenzayo izokufaka engozini kanjani bengitshela ukuthi angisabi lutho mina komfane ngiyomesaba nje.
So bungahlangani nabantu abasuka khona bafike kuwe bafuna ukukhuluma le nombolo bakhuluma le tali and wena ngeso sikhathi you've never even been there.
Bengivele ngibatshela ukuthi yazini ningikhumbuza into zakudala so angisafuni lutho ezingihlanganisa into zasejele. Ngiphume kubona kanjalo.
Are you for real? And nabo bangakulandeleli.
Bengeke ngilandelele sengishine kahle.
Yeah. Plaza umude nga.
Uyabona.
So how long did you do that content?
I guess it was for 1 month because ngisheshe ngayiyeka.
But you had so many followers from that time.
Yeah, that time aye wangena because bengitrenda vele bengithi mangivela kuthiwe asejele abantu basha ama-flats. Yayibona ke manje.
So what made you to change content yakho? Because now you did it, yes, and that's when you were recognized, isn't it? And then people obviously now uma wenza content abantu befollow lo nto le were you not scared ukuthi mhlambe if ushintshe content uzoluza abantu abaningi ama followers?
I was scared but kuyabe ngicabanga ukuthi mangizoqhubeka nayo le content le content ibeyikhuluma into eyisile because you know itori esizaziyo thina ukuthi bayenzana abafana benzanana abafana ejele so bengikhuluma ngale nto kube ngazi ukuthi mina ivictim ngacabanga ukuthi lento le izongilandela eminyakeni ehambayo in years to come izongilandela because ngisazoba ingane nami izobona babazo to be benzwa njalo ejele yena
and ngeso sikhathi ingakaze yenzeke
ibona ke manje
and then now changing from that what did you decide to go into and what inspired that?
I wanted to do something different because manje i-content yami I'm sure it's different.
What is it all about now?
I just heard someone now we must get la ngathi siyokwenza content.
Okay.
It's ngiba nje umuntu o violent ube ngathi random conversation like and ngenza izinto abantu abarelated ukuze let's say we are walking estradini then ngikubuza ukuthi noma ngiyakushela then awungiqomo ngishange pani then ngiyakuluyisa.
But you're a different person from that. You are a total different person, like the energy that I'm getting and that. So how do you distinguish that? Because I think abanye abantu bakuperceive njengomuntu violent.
They think so. They think I'm violent.
And how does that make you feel?
As long as I know I'm violent.
Yeah. So awukuthola abantu aba-aggressive vele towards you because of they think you are that person.
Ngiyaziba. So
you do come across people who want to provoke you because of they know your content.
Yeah, I think ikusuke bafuna mhlawumbe bafuna ukuduma noma something like that. That's why ngivele ngingayinaki ngisha indivo.
Okay. So now ngifuna ungihambise ku journey yakho yasesikolweni. Was it easy for you to find friends? Most fika ngalana high school because as a boy usuke ekhaya, you know, sometimes bazokubukela phansi and all that. How easy was it for you to find friends? Because angikuzulu mention indaba yama friends ukuthi abangani bakho abantu abaka understandayo. Because kulamalanga bengihleli no Pretty la uPretty athi it's not good to have friends and ngikuzwa nokukhuluma ngabangani.
Ukuba nabangani akusinto right vele but ngathi mangifika mina ngangumuntu babethanda indlela engikhuluma ngayo. Angithi bengikhuluma isiZulu lesesdeep hayi lento engikhuluma manje. Bengikhuluma isiZulu lesesdeep and I can ngiyakwazi uqamba amanga.
Okay.
Bengihlalisa iclass lonke mina kulalelwe mina so bekungenzima ukuthi ngenza abangani.
So when kahle you are a storyteller. Have you ever thought of maybe instead of maybe uyenza through content in that acting maybe write stories or act or something?
Acting ngayizama ekasi inkinga zangu ngithole abantu abazongiphusha. Ngayizama ekasi kwaba i-casting yami. Khona i-story Clever Bar ku YouTube.
Clever Bar, okay.
Ngayizama ekasi sayenza nabafana basekasi kwaba ukuthini uyazi abantu baya kuba nokuxabana thizeni sayeka lapho but acting bengiyazi.
Is it something that maybe you think would in a good near future you will still do?
Ngayenza acting mangathola ama opportunities.
But you know that you cannot just get an opportunity if you're not into it. you still need to keep on being in it until you get into it.
Yes, I believe ukuthi because most of the actors manje they are from TikTok. I believe ukuthi once ngaba ne-fan bases sharp, it would be easy for me ukuthi ngene ku-acting.
So sihamba kubani manje kuma-followers?
Ama-followers asamancane manje.
But on this guy, sihamba kubani manje?
I'm approaching 100,000.
Mancane?
They are still, for mina, asamancane.
This guy, guys.
But abantu abanama-followers are serious.
100,000 incane?
Sharp, ingasigcwalisa i-stadium, but mina ngazi mancane.
But do you appreciate the fact that...
I appreciate.
Awekho mancane, don't take that for granted, eh? Angafiki na ku-20K mina.
But uzofika.
Ngihamba lapho, I think 13,000.
But uzofika.
That's what I'm saying. Guti, you've done a good job. You've done a good job. And then, as young as you are you in a relationship?
Yeah, mantombazana sengiyawasaba manje.
Bakwenzeni?
Mantombazana sile.
Bakwenzeni?
I can't say I'm not in a relationship, but khona la ngibamba khona. Akusinto permanent, angeke ngithi permanent.
But do you believe in love?
I do. Mawubona i-TV hayi into yenzekala lokhujana in real life. In real life alukho uthando.
Do you think one day maybe you'll find someone who honest and onama intentions afana nawakho, or you feel ukuthi nje umhlaba usubhubhile vele?
I believe ukuthi khona onama intentions afana nawami, but it's hard for me ukuthi ngithembe intombazana. Kunzima impela. Kunzima.
What happened? Noma ungazubiza igama lomuntu, but what really happened that made you to be where you're at right now? Bakuhurdile, bakuchithele?
Lutho cabanga. Yimina nje into engizibonayo.
Izinto ze-experienceayo around?
Into engizibonayo nje futhi abangani bami, my friends benziwa, so
So you feel ukuthi nawe mhlawumbe uzokwenza, what if wena angeke udlule kuleyo journey leyo?
Ngicabanga mhlawumbe nami ngisazondlula.
But don't you think you should try it? Angeke uzokuthwela amanzi ayashisa ungayazi feeling yakhona, because fanele ufike lapho wathinte uzozwele ushe.
Ngizozama mfethu. Ngiyasaba. I'm scared of love. I'm scared of giving my all, like ngimnike konke umuntu. Ngiyakuyibona ngisabayo nje.
Where's ubaba? We spoke about umama. Ukuphi ubaba?
Ubaba is an absent father.
Okay.
Ukhona. Ula eGoli.
Have you wawambona yena?
After so many years, because ngikhule mhlambe ekukhuleni kwami ngambona kay 1, then ngambona futhi sengenza grade 7. 7 ngambona sengenza grade 7, ngavakasha lahlala khona kwaba ukuthini, kwaba ukuthi angijabuli, because they never made me feel like it's home.
Okay. Ushadile?
He's not married and I am the only son and I.
Really? So what made you feel ukuthi wena you're not at home?
Angazi ngisho kanjani. Ayikho mnandi le sikhuluma la manje.
Okay. Okay, but so you just felt ukuthi you were not gelling with the whole family, and then you decided to excuse yourself and go back where you felt good.
Ngaphela manje 3 years ngambonanga lo muntu, because namanje ngambhalela imessage after uma eshiya, because uma i-call yatholwa yimina ephuma esibhedlela kuthi uma usengishiyile kwabanzinyana lapho, because kwabanzima impela. Ngamtshela ngathi ngicela engangifeyili futhi, because sekuyena umzali engisele ngayo up until manje ngikaza ngicheck,
akakaza kucheck
ukuthi njani kanjani. That's why ngase.
Let me tell you this. My son una 19. Yazi uthini? Uthi we shouldn't force people to be part of our lives, blood or not.
Into engitshele yona nami le ukuthi yazi ngcono ngivele ngiyeke.
So do you think it's one of the reasons mhlambe lezi zenza ukuthi usaba ukuthanda, because you feeling ngathi people are not, they don't want to give what when you believe that you can give?
Inkinga ubaba ngaye ngakhuluma naye ngathi ngicela silungise yazi umuntu ube umncengile kaningi iphinde lokho njani
Eqhubeka nento eyi-one kusho khona ukuthi he's not willing.
akanandaba.
Let's talk about the experience yakho YouTube. I mean, TikTok. Do you the social handles owasebenzisa ku TikTok iyo la wasebenzisa ku YouTube?
Yonke indawo wonke ama social media platforms wena.
So ku Instagram ungusihle mhlapho konke even YouTube.
Even YouTube.
What's your favorite one kuzo zonke that you enjoying most?
TikTok yengenze TikTok cause YouTube I don't have something to ukuthi ngilo ngipost lapha. Kumele ngithole content yakho.
Why ungathathi the very same content yak TikTok uyifaka ku YouTube?
Ku YouTube akudlalo lapha. Ku YouTube akudlalo serious. Cause namanje I have ama subscribers amancane YouTube it's very hard.
But you can still take the very same videos. Ukumule there are people abangekho ku TikTok mara baku YouTube. Do you know that? So you can take the very same videos that you use ku TikTok uzifake ku YouTube.
I might try that. Ngizokuzama lo.
Yeah, try it tonight. Just one video. Uzobona.
Okay, ngizokuzama lo.
Because there are people that is why social platforms are different because other people bathanda munye bathanda TikTok abanye so you might find ama subscribers ku YouTube angekho ku TikTok. So that's how you should start doing.
Okay, ngizokuzama because ni bengithanda iTikTok kahle kahle. Ne Facebook ne Instagram ukuthi ngiqale ngilokho njani. There's some guy uLifa because ngiyama appreciate that's why ngithi igama lakhe.
Ubani igama lakhe?
uLifa. Ungayi kuye i-first podcast yami. Uye wangadvise ukuthi ngiyenze ilokho njani ngiyenze lama video ngiposta ku TikTok ngiposte nakulokho njani na ku Facebook
na ku Instagram.
And leyo nto ngikhulisela ama followers.
Nami ngiyasho ke manje faka na ku YouTube because mina angisho ngiku YouTube. I know what I'm talking about.
All right.
So you can mention i podcast Khalifa.
Infinity Channel.
Iyase kaslakho.
Cha yase Brakpan.
Oh okay ngiyabona
Brakpan.
Okay. And then how has it been because ukhumbule ku TikTok kukho abantu who say good things and kunabantu abasibhulishayo ku TikTok. How has the journey been for you when it comes to that positive and negative?
Ngiyayiziba mina umuntu ofuna ukungikhulumisa ngivele ngimzibe nje. That's why khona ama comments avele abhede vele umbone umuntu uthi uyakuprovoke lana. I just think into efika emqondweni wami ukuthi okay yazi umjitha noma usisi usuke ufuna ukutrend so ngcono ngivele ngiyilike noma ngiphendule ngendlela enhle noma ngithuka noma ethini ngivele ngithi ngiyabonga.
And then what was right now on top of your head yiphi comment yakhearda yakumilisa yakukwatisa?
Bavele ba comment bathi mhlambe kube ivideo i-video right nje mhlambe ngiposte something right bangikhumbuze ngilokujana ngento zasijele kuthiwe ngadliwa mina ejele ngivele ngithi ngiyabonga noma ngithi right.
And then what has been positive on top of your head, a positive that keeps that you think about now? And the nice comment is
why can't angikwazi lokujana but kunabantu abahlezi ba commenta izinto ezi right. Yenza ngicine ngiba-follow back le because khona abantu vele noma ivideo ibona ukuthi le video le iyabheda still by appreciate.
And then who's your top 3 in creatives out there that yazi ukuthi abona laba ngiyaba everyday ngifuna ubona ukuthi baphusha kanjani and abantu abaku-inspire wena?
First Quality Biyela akusilo sekumculo omaskani.
Ngiyamazi quality. Mr uthandani konje le level ayithanda thunje?
Ivyali.
Yes, Ivyali ne Fabian.
Fabian wayithanda kudala. Ngisafika lapho.
Yeah.
Ivyali quality ubaba esurrender quality.
And what makes you like him?
Quality yadelela bafethu. Quality khuluma kakhulu. Yikona okwenza uclean uyayithanda uyasmela istory sakhe konke nje.
Okay, the second one.
Osibili ngasho ukuthi uMasompisi.
Okay.
uMasompisi.
So njengoba uhlangana naye namhlanje.
Njengoba ngihlangana naye namhlanje.
Did you know that she was going to be here?
Yeah, I knew.
Okay.
Bese ngazi.
Okay.
Because she is also following me back. Like,
but you've never met her in person?
Bengakazi.
Oh, nice. So namhlanje nizoshaya something vele.
Bese ngikhulumile.
Yeah. Okay.
Bese khona Lisedi the creator. Do you know that guy?
No. What does like content yakhe ngani?
Wenza ama random things ezenzeke ekhaya. Like
Okay.
he'll be like ngiyakutshela kushutile anti system into enjalo man.
Okay. Ngizomcheck. So those are the 3 people abafeel ukuthi bayi-inspire on a daily basis.
Ibona.
And then who are your person that you would wish to work with in the near future? Locally. Yeah.
Engasebenza naye.
Yeah, creation, yeah, in this creative space.
Ngafethu mina ngazi ngizothini. Local ake ikaslam like
Nje like South Africa.
South Africa.
Ofila ukuthi manje ngahlangana ningenza umlilo.
Singenza umlilo. Bani that guy? Lisedi.
Okay.
Lisedi.
And then Orkant. Are you following ama content angaphandle?
Ngiwafollow ngaphandle.
What's the reason for that?
Angazi ngizothi reason but ngiwafollow ngaphandle awaveli ama content angichazayo ngaphandle.
Okay. And then what has been ama highlights wakho kule industry? That like mawucabanga ukuthi sesiyazi every time la nto yenzeka ngelanga eliso yes. Yeah, ngiyafeel ukuthi ngilendile.
Kanjani? Into engifuna
No. Angisho wena, I mean you're on 100k subscribers. What is that one thing ofeel ukuthi ike yenzeka endawo khona ukuyikhohlwa for wena kule industry le creation?
Like into yake ngenzeka ngihamba mhlambe.
Whether uhamba or maybe getting a call or izinto ezinjalo nje izinto ezigeze into eke yenzeka ukuthi mawucabanga today ufeel ukuthi yeah I'm recognized ngilendile.
Ngeke ngafika eStrand Mall ngihamba nabazali kuba khona group of people they were like nangu uye usihle wa TikTok like baphikisana ngihamba nabazali bagijima bazongilokho njana. If I had a cameraman lapha buzibona ivideo yakho bagijima bezongihaka yabo into enjalo.
And then you felt ukuthi I'm doing a good thing.
Ngabona ukuthi okay shuthi ngiyabonakala ke manje.
And then yiphi into eke yakwenza ukuthi ufeel ngathi ungayekela ukuba i-creator?
Ayikayike yangenza ukuthi ngiyeke. Ayikho. Because i-content isangiphethe kahle kwamanje.
Have you ever been approached maybe ama brands afuna ukusebenza nawe so far?
Amakasi brands.
Yeah.
Amakasi brands.
You can mention them.
Asuka angabi serious. Khona yini clothing brand Sweetie from Kaslam.
Okay.
Someone I know. Inde ubefuna obvious umuntu mayikwazi uzofuna angazi ngayibeka kanjani.
Yeah, like ukuthi maybe umqokele sona so that sizobonakala out there.
But angakutsheli into serious, angakutsheli ukuthi nizokhulumisana kanjani, uyayibona into enjalo.
Okay.
Akutshela mhlawumbe ukuthi kumele uthenge still. Ku advertiser.
Funa ukuthenga uphinde umadvertisele.
Indawo uthenga half price, uthenga nge full price. Cabanga nje into enjalo. Akutshela ukuthi usaqala yena ilokho njanini.
Now uyaqala nje.
Nami ngiyayifikela nje.
And then what are your dream brands that ungakhalela ukusebenza nazo? Like ngathi banga-approach bathi sifuna ube ambassador yethu, ama brands nje that you wish you could work with in the near future.
Ama brands. Yo. Angazi ngizothini. Angazi ngizothini.
Akhona yodwa efikayo ukuthi yo maybe mangafika ibhathu ithi ngibe ambassador yayo or i-Nike or i-Adidas
or i-Redbirds.
Okay.
Redbirds.
You wish you could be ambassador i-Redbird.
Yes.
What else?
Redbirds. Redbirds kuphela.
Really?
Ngiyithandayo.
So you are into i-Redbet kakhulu?
Yebo.
Why yona? Because kukhona ezinye abanye ama-brands.
Zikhona ezinye but i-Redbet yiyo inganama, I don't think inama ambassador amaningi because it's still new according to me.
Okay.
Because ayikadumbele kakhulu Redbet.
This is what I want to ask you. Where do you see yourself in this creative space in the near future?
Ngibona ngiku-acting mina.
Okay.
Ngibona ngiku-acting ngivele kuma-screens are-serious.
Who's your favorite actor so far?
Favorite actor uNaymaps.
Okay, ngiyambona uNaymaps. Khona manje Genesis. Okay, and then international?
Ubani
Tyler Perry. So, do you think you being in this creative space, it's the one ezokhola ikusela ufuna uba khona kwi-acting?
Yes.
Do you believe in that? Because ezinye izinto fanele sikholelwe kuzona. Because you did, njengoba usho ukuthi uye wavula some play elokishini and then yaphelela emoyeni. But I blame you for that.
Why?
Awushiyi kulenga. Because you striking me as someone ukuthi shoot ne-TikTok yakho if izangisebenza awuzoyeka.
TikTok ngayibekezelela.
Then why didn't you do the same? Because you understand ukuthi by opening le cast oyivulile ubukhipha abantu ezitratini.
Can I raise a point?
Yes, sir.
Abantu basuke befuna ukubhatalwa. I am not financially stable.
Bafuna ukukhokhelwa.
Basuke befuna ukukhokhela.
I mean, thina sikhule sizenza lezi zinto zokucasta ekasi. But besiyazi ukuthi we're doing it for fun. Sibelieve ukuthi one day maybe izosithatha isise somewhere. Kanti wena u-approach abantu abanjani laba bafuna ukukhokhelwa?
Yikho njalo bengivele ngiposte, let's say I post on Facebook ngithi any actors, available actors on this day, then ngayengacreate i-group chat ku WhatsApp. Bangena, I heard ama-actors but makuhamba isikhathi, let's say because iClever Party khona the story bengitshela ngaso iClever Party bengiqhubekisa like ihambe ngama-episodes.
Yeah.
So let's say lo muntu lona usengitshela ukuthi ubusy ngelanga lokushoot yabo bekuyinto enjalo. Mawumtshela ukuthi mfethu ukushootha kubalekile akutshela asi kuyafana ungikhokheli mos.
But let me tell you this. Maybe uyiqale kabi. But charity begins at home. And this is where you were supposed to start. Ekasi lakho.
Bengiqala khona ekasi, bengenze ekasi.
Then you were supposed to, and let me tell you, for you to nail this, ungafuni labantu abafeel ukuthi they've made it. Funa uqale ngalabantwana abancane. Ukhule nabo.
Ngizophinde ngizame futhi.
Please. We need those kind of platforms. You know why? Iyaskipha lento estratini. Sinabantu ababhemayo manje omwayindisi because they've got nothing to do. You know, unegama engilithandileyo olishilo wathi a reason for you to start a TikTok, it's because of ubufuna kushiyeke igama lakho even if uNkulunkulu angakukhumbula kusasa.
Yeah.
Even today sisakhuluma ngama-actors akudala. You know, abantu ababe-create ama-cast abantu bakudala.
Abantu abadala, they made it.
You understand?
That's inspiring.
You know, even today, like we see great actors abasaba counter. So usihle Nhlapho makabe ne-cast yakhe that will exist. One day ngifuna ubone uregistile unabantu kuyo. Ungafuna abantu qala ngabantwana besikolo. Trust me. If you have to go to schools, uboleke class after school, that's where it becomes successful. Go to schools, mhlawumbe uye esikoleni esithize, and then mention ukuthi this is your idea. Plus khona manje as having these followers, it's going to work for you. Go to a school, ufike ubatshela ukuthi this is your vision and whatsoever. Ucela uboleke class after, I'm telling you, after school bazoza abantwana and uzobona umehluko.
All right.
But think about it, no pressure, because I see a potential in you. You are enjoyable. You're enjoyable to watch. And what would you want to say about? Because the content yakho njengoba usho ukuthi uye wenza i-content yezinto ezenzakala kasi, maybe a bit of violence and all that, which we always become vocal ngama-GBV and everything. What would you want to say out there ngendaba ye-GBV?
Phela into engicikayo mina i-gender based violence into engayithandi, but mawuzobona vele amavidiyo ami uzobona ngathi into engiyithandayo. Gender based violence angiyithandi face angazi abantu benzelani. But in some cases I believe people forced like basuke bephoqelekile ukuthi babe violent because ama-personality wabantu awafani. Mhlawumbe omunye usuke somcike kakhulu bese but angibelieve ukuthi kumele azakushaya.
Don't you think maybe i-platform yakho it promotes violence?
Iyayipromote yona. Iyayipromote.
I'm not saying wrong. I'm not saying you understand. And when I understand where you're coming from, when you created a platform where you're showing people it's relative. Izinto zenzeka vele kasi.
Into ezenzekayo kasi ezinye yazibona ezinye.
And then have you ever thought of ukuthi umane wenza ama short clips somehow and talking about how bad it is indaba ye-GBV?
Yeah.
And telling them that you're not condoning, you just ibizwa ngokuthi we are what's this word? You just when you ubonisa izinto ezenzeke kasi, but you are not that, and this is how you feel in person or personally.
Mina inke manje i-support into engekho.
Yeah.
But ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngizokwenza kanjalo.
And then what would you want to say to that young Sihle kunoSihle omncane laphayana othi akubone njenge role model and ofisa ukuthi one day afane nawe, but yena athi makapostile athole i-one like, ungathini kuye?
Nami ngaqala kanjalo. Yonke into enesikhathi sayo, ukubekezela kuyakubeka empumelelweni. Patience is key to success.
So aqhubeke lokho epost.
Aqhubeke, angapheli manje, angapheli moya, because nami ngaqhubeka. Nami ngibuya kude kahle. Ngangithi mangilokho njanile kube khona abantu abangicwasayo bathi I want uyophelela phi, I wonder yabo into enjalo.
And then ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo obaluleke kakhulu. If you were to go back right now Sihle, ubheke uSihle omncane, yini into ongafuna ukuxolisela kuyena uSihle Nhlapho uyazi ukuthi mawuyicabanga nje awuyiqhenyi ngayo, and yini into ongafuna ukubuyela kuSihle omncane umbonge ngayo, umshayele izandla?
Kanjani into engingayiqhenyi ngayo?
Yeah, okay, wayenza that ungabuyela kuyoxolisa kuye ukuthi Sihle, I'm sorry for taking this decision. Even if ungeke uyisho in details.
Kuningi akwenza mkhulu. Ngathini umncane like very young or
not nje no even if it's last year phela, last year you were younger than Sihle now.
Ukudlala ngamantombazana. Ukudlala ngamantombazana, ukudlala ngemizwa yabantu nje. Ngoba if I can remember khona ebebengitshengisa ukuthi i-true love ikhona, then kwaba yimi ukuthi ngendlela engiyo because ngeke ngaba for the streets. So bekunzima ukuthi ngibabelieve. I believe dating one person akusinto right. You date
abantu abaningi. But you said it and I'm not going to blame you or judge you. Ushilo ukuthi inkinga yakho ukuthi you are so guarded, you're so protective of yourself, you're scared to give your all. And then what is that one thing I'm proud of you. I'm like out of everything eyenzekile life yakho, but I'm proud of you.
Uba strong ukuthi angaze ngacabanga ukuyibulala nento enjalo because ngidlule imini eningi. Mangikutshela ukuthi when I was doing grade 1, 7 years old, my grandmother washonela phambi kwami.
Was she sick?
she was like bezovuka ekseni esibhedlela because KZN izinto awubongeke ukwazi bese sasingenayo imoto bezovuka ekseni aye esibhedlela ngathi mangivuka sahlala siwu2 endlini ngathi mangivuka ngamthola elele phe kwetafula kunomuthi laphana
bezothatha treatment yakhe
bleeding
beka bleeda kuphi
emehlweni blood from the eyes like the sitafuleni.
And then wenziwe postmortem gogo
Postmortem kanjani?
like lento ukuthi kucheck ukuthi cause of death.
Ngangimncane nganginandaba ngalezo zinto ngakungasiza into engilokho njani ngangizama konke ukuthi ngidlulise vele ngimncane yakho.
So ibingumama kamamakho
kwaku I can say one usisi kamama.
So njengoba somngaka, does it come into your thoughts sometimes? Does uyayiphupha uyayicabanga or
social media yengenze because mangiphuma ku social media that's why I'm always on my phone mangingekho nabangani because abangani
aren't you scared ukuthi you numbing izinto ofuneka udile ngazo through social media? Let's say kusasa social media ivuka ingekho,
but ngizodila nazo kanjani ngingwela
kunento okuthiwa you need to go through it if there's no other way. If ungavuka kusasa kuthi social media ayikho, aren't you scared ukuthi uzofaceana namadimoni wakho la wena uthathe wafaka ku-closet and maybe you need to deal with them?
I don't think asazongilandela cha ngicabanga because akungifikeli ukuthi ngicabanga izinto ezenzeka kuningi okwenzekile empilweni yami vele.
So umuve nobo auntie when you were 7 years old after kushona kagogo?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm really sorry. And yes, we kufanele sidlule into for us to be strong as ushilo ukuthi into ongayibonga usihle ngayo is for being strong. But it's okay not to be okay. Do you have someone ukuthi makubhlungu besides the social media oyakho okhona kuye uyobhodla kuye? Do you have someone like that in your life?
Umamncane.
Okay.
Umamncane. Yeah.
She allows you to. When was the last time you cried? Besides, obvious, when you lost umama.
Nanje wabe ngilost umama mhlambe ngakhala kawu2 ngaqina futhi sangiphinde. Ukhala nje kuphela kwento. I don't believe in crying.
Do you see yourself as a father one day?
I do.
And what kind of a father would you be? Mawucabanga.
Ngizobaba right. I'll take care of my kids. Angifani nobaba uzala mina. Into engitshele wona ukuthi angifuni kancane ukuthi ingane zami face that thing facing.
Okay. And then you strike me as someone who hide my emotions wakhe kakhulu. You strike me as someone who holds back. So how are you going to teach your kids to be vulnerable if when you're not that kind of a person?
Ngiyazama ukuthi but mina angikwazi vele ukuba open, but ukuba like into engizozenza ingane zami ngizitraina kule ngane zika mamncane because bayawazi ukuthi khona that one osekhulile, guess she's 8 years unathi uyakwazi ukuthi akhulume nami phela umuntu amthembayo endlini.
Okay.
Ukwazi ukukhuluma naye noma enze wrong uyakwazi ukukhuluma nami ngim-advise kahle ngimtshele ngithi okay njengoba sowenze kanje kumele wenze kanje.
Yeah. And then zange experience bullying when ekukhuleni kwakho, because I've been interviewing people who've experienced bullying.
Mina ngishayana namanje ngisashaya. Ngishayana bekungekho umuntu ozongicwasa because kwawukuthi noma khona ladinge kuma kwerana. You know it. Bagwerane ngihleke kube ngathi nami ngiyanda. Kube ngathi ngiyayidlala igame but wagwera mina ngiyasukuma ngiyakushaya.
Mara yabona ukuthi awukhofe.
But mina ngisuke ngingagweri.
Okay.
Kusuke kuwena ongisukela mina ngisuke ngiyihlekela.
Wena uqalela abantu wena.
Okay.
Okay.
Nona kunjani. But when I'm wrong noma ngingaba wrong uzama ukuba violent ngizovele ngixolise. Angikwazi ukushaya umuntu engimsukelile.
Do you think to retaliate like that into right, or are you willing somewhere somehow in life in ukuthi usolve izinto without ukumshaya umuntu makakudinile.
Manje sengimdala ngisayenzi leyo nto. Kwakungacabangi ukuba mncane.
Okay, and then what's your favorite song recently?
Kwamashweshwe.
Okay.
Kwamashweshwe. I'm not sure. Close.
Close to you know that I was with Close Dealer last week.
Last week maybe. Last week.
Last week vela.
Last week nambing naye.
Is it? Yeah, he was here. What's the cast lakho ne? Closed.
Cha kusiyowasekasi but khona interview ebeze kuyo.
Okay, and then you were there.
I was there.
Yeah, because mashwashi iphuma izolo. Yeah.
Benginaye.
Okay.
No bihamba nokudla ngithi.
Yes.
Benginaye.
Besuka lana, so it's your favorite song currently. Why that song?
I don't know how I can say.
It just makes sense.
It just makes sense. Iyo bese no khona nenye yase ichaiva ngamabomu culo Matsandos khona that girl is trending manje.
Okay, it's ichaiva ngamabomu.
Do you know?
What ubani?
Matsandos.
No.
girl.
Angimazi.
Ngizomfake social media. But khona that girl.
I was very addictive to it, so I'm trying so much. No, I ngiyangena khona ukungena.
But yeah, no.
What's your love language?
Physical touch.
Physical touch. Okay, and what's your deal breaker?
Deal breaker like?
Into yazi ukuthi yabona ugirl mangenza so noma ngamthanda kanjani. Once enze so or athi so I'm done.
Someone who lacks respects ungahlonipha abantu then expects ukuthi bamhloniphe. Noma ungamuhle kanjani noma intombazane engayiphathi kahle nje ayengikwazi kulokho njalo.
But umuntu uyewazi kanjani ukuthi akayiphathi kahle because you can date someone who pretends ukuthi kuwena uyiphethe kahle and then find out later ukuthi yes
we're done.
Okay.
As soon as I find out because mele ukungihlonipha vele kubalekile ukuthi ungihloniphe mina nabantu mele bahloniphe.
So you feel ukuthi it doesn't make sense if uzo portraying ngathi uyakuhlonipha wena kodwa angakwazi ukuhlonipha abanye abantu.
Yeah.
That's very powerful. I like that. Is there anything? Are you available for bookings if someone wanna book you and all that?
Yes, I am available.
And then where can they find you?
On all my social media platforms. Ngitsigna so ikhona email yami vele for bookings and inquiries.
Okay.
Khona email yami sihlekhenhlapho@email.com.
Google Pilapo in the world you wish one day you can go and appear as uSihlenhlapho. Your favorite country?
Favorite country? Dubai.
Alala. Why Dubai? Okay. But I love Dubai. I mean, who wouldn't want to be at Dubai? And then, what do you do on your spare time?
Comments.
And that's it.
That's it.
Like let's say on your daily routine, what's the first thing you do? You're on your phone.
No, I'm not on my phone. I wake up, ngilungisa umbhede, ngilokhu njani ngihambe ngiyogeza ubuso. Then ngenza ukudla. Kumele ngiclean ekhaya because I'm the only child osekhulile.
Okay.
Kumele ngiclean endlini.
Okay. So awuclean lokhu ubamba ifoni yakho kanje?
Cha, ifoni ngiyayibeka ngikhalisa music.
Okay, what kind of music do you like listening to?
Maskandi.
Are you for real?
Yeah, Maskandi.
Uthanda Maskandi? Ngicabanga ukuthi uthanda amapiano.
So ngiyakutshela ukuthi alingishintshanga kuye.
What? So ubani umculo Maskandi omthandayo? Kakhulu.
Lokhu njana umthandeni SK.
Okay. Is there anything mhlawumbe ubufuna sikhulume ngayo ama-projects that you're working on right now?
Projects like?
Izinto obhizi ngazo, upcoming things that you're gonna showcase very soon. Ama-plans wakho ne-content yakho.
I'm thinking of opening a clothing brand. But maybe next year mase sengine-fan base eningi.
So like now you want to do the local brands?
But angifuni end up local.
I like that. And then ikhona into cabanga ukuthi ngikhohliwe ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ebalulekile that I didn't add. And what would you want to say to Mamncane right now?
Ngiyam-appreciate because if bekungasiye angazi ngabe ngiphelelepi. Mhlambe nami ngabe ngaphelele estradini ngenza into wrong mhlambe because bengizobe ngiyidinga vele imali. Phela uthe uma ngishiya emhlabeni wangishiya nomfowethu my older brother.
Okay. Ukuphi manje?
Simuzi Nhlapho. Se-Galikstad.
Okay. So uhlala elsewhere yena. How's your relationship with him?
He's my brother. Angeke ngimlahle, siyazwana kakhulu futhi.
I love that. And then now uMamncane took you in. You appreciate it. Appreciate Mamncane. Uthandani Mamncane? What's your favorite food? What uthanda into enjani? Uthanda izigqoko, uthanda perfume, uthanda ama weaves, uthandani?
Ithandela ukudla uMamncane, ithandela ukudla nakhona ama takeaway.
Yeah.
Umuntu ongathanda ukubheka nje Friday, Saturday, ngalithinta ibhodi ngoba ke umuntu uzodinga isikhathi sinso emsebenzini.
Yeah. I love that, man. Enye into engifuna ukubuza yona. Yini into ofuna ukukhunjulwa ngayo?
Ngikhunjulwe nje ngokuthi ngawumuntu onjani, umuntu omuhle, umuntu owayenza into ezinhle because but inkinga manje ukuthini abantu abangazi ngama personality afanayo.
Yes. Abanye bakwazi uyisiboshwa, bakwazi ukuviolent, mina ngikwazi unomoya ophansi. Endlini bakwazi umunye umuntu abangani bakho. But what is that one common thing that you know ukuthi wonke umuntu for sure makuthiwa usihle Nhlapho uyayicabanga ngawe?
Bavele bacabanga content creator but abantu abasondelene nami most of them bangazivele ngumuntu right. Yabo ungasangazi njengomuntu obhedayo mhlambe let's say violent usuke uzwe ngabantu. Nakhona abantu mhlawumbe abangangifuni ngisho kanjalo but umuntu oke wahlala namphansi sakhuluma noma sazana saponda isikashanyana uyangazi umuntu oshapha.
Uma uzothi abantu abangakufuni usho ukuthi kuba khona abantu obhifa nabo ekhaya? I
don't beef with them but ngathini bakhona abantu bakhuluma into eyamanga.
Okay, so awuzwani naleyo nto leyo so ikwenza ukuthi ufeel some type of way with why you lie about me. I get it. And then give me a word for the day.
Word for the day. Patience is key to success.
That's word of the day. Patience is a key to success. So in everything you do, you need to be patient.
You need to be patient.
But when I was be patient, ngikwadele for that part.
But angithi singibuyisile wena endleleni. Phela I need someone ozoloku ekubuyisa endleleni because
Yeah.
Currently I don't have someone ongimanager engambuza ukuthi okay makunje ngenzani so yonke into kumele ngizicabangele.
For the fact ukuthi wayiqalile ne wongeke uyiqale if it wasn't for you. And for you to enhance now skills zakho you need to be around other people who have the same thing. Please go back.
Ngasuke ngaba
discouraged ngabantu abangekho driven.
Asithanda into efanayo nabantu engiphila nabo. Inkinga isukube lapho.
Okay, which yazi ukuthi ayisebenzi lonto le life in
kanjani?
It's hard for one to relate if you don't speak the same language.
That's why ngigcine ngizassociate nabantu abanjengoRiz.
And tell me about your Riz Nation. How did you meet? How did you know them?
Riz ngimaze last week.
Okay, the time when you selling to Zanen and you just like the way bapusha ngakhona.
He was a good guy to me. Umuntu oshapu. Sakhuluma ukuthi udinga ama content creators ukuthi cause ilokhu njana vele ayikho into ongayiphusha without social media.
True.
In this day. So wangitshela sakhuluma nje kahle sazwana.
Yeah. I like that.
Plus ungithole nami ngeke into engiyenzayo ngeke into engibhizi ngayo. So
So uzibona by the end of this year sihleli kuma followers ayingakhi masiphusha content yakho.
Ngibheke u 200,000 250 or 200.
When did you start i-platform yakho?
It was last year early.
And uyakhala. Mina ngiqale ngo-2023. Ngihlela u-13,000 uyakhala uqale last year seku-100k.
Eish.
But all I want to say to you is I'm rooting for you, and you strike me as umuntu reserved, you strike me as umuntu olungile. Ingakushintshi imali because iyeza mfethu. Iyeza yona. One thing ngikuthandile mo explain ukuthi ukusuka kwakho emakhaya azange kushintshe wena ukuthi ubani. That is why you're still sticking to things that you knew. And I'm praying for healing. Izinto odlule kuzona. I'm so sorry. And now I believe that you're going to be a good father. But I want you to be a good lover as well. Not to only love your kids, but whoever that you're going to meet in the near future. Allow them in your life. Umuntu sometimes ufuneka umvumele enza amaphutha wakhe for you to know ukuthi they are not for you. Because sometimes she's into zilenga and lezo zinto zize zenza ukuthi siphinde sibuyele emuva. And as for ubaba yena, I hope one day, one of the good days, uzofeel ukuthi yakudinga kangakanani, and I hope it's not going to be late.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Is there anything you want to say to our people, to your followers?
Ngiyabathanda, ngiyaba-appreciate. Kahle ngiya-appreciate wonke umuntu ongithandayo.
Yeah.
Because kube ngibona mhlawumbe ngabangekho la.
Definitely. Guys, ngicela sihambeni siyoni uyochecka ama-platforms kaSihle Kanhlapho, uLangijove, uTollgate, uShaka Zulu.
Naleyo nickname nayo.
Yabona. Because you strike me as lamfana welembe anyway. Guys, ngicela nami niyochecka ama-platforms akhe ezeshilo ukuthi he's available for bookings. Kwi-bio lapha, it's going to lead you straight to his email. And girls, ngicela nisondeleni nizofundiseni uSihle nimbonise true love. Akunamuntu oke wamconvince man. Sifuna umuntu ozofika amconvince ukuthi love exists and love is real and love is there and ayindawo ngoba ubhizi usaba uhuriwa, but he has never been. And for content yakhe, guys, he said it ukuthi he hates GBV. The only thing he's narrating izinto ezenzeka elokishini because ziyenzeka, and sometimes we are not ready to talk about them, but as a corner they exist. And we appreciate you guys. We wouldn't be here if being a scene. But Sihle ngine challenge ngizoyisho manje. Ngine challenge yama guest wami ukuthi manifika lana maniqeda ushuta nani i-short clip yakho uthola ukuthi izohamba yokwenza 500 views, but you don't put my link. Ngicela nifake ne-link yami, please. And thank you for your time all the way, guys, from eTsakani to North Riding. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I'm rooting for you. Sisazohlangana esikhaleni ke mase unemali uzongifakela nje noma i-half a meter yabona. And I'm rooting for clothing brand yakho that you're going to start. Go back to that cast. Think about it. Ibane drawing board. Elifini ushilo wathi sidinga patience, and that's all that we need. Ubuntu singabantu ngingumuntu ngenxa yabantu izandla ziyagezana. And ningakhohlwa guys ukusubscribe, ni like, ni share. Ndisatshona namhlanje ndiyabulela kube andikho apho ndikhona ngaphandle kwenu. Ndinithanda kakhulu and we out.